In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple Chrome browsers, vertical bar, multiple browsers on a single Google Chrome, vertical bar, multiple users. This tutorial will show you how to start creating separate Chrome profiles inside one Google Chrome browser. This is useful when you want to keep different browsing spaces apart, such as personal browsing, work browsing, study browsing, or another user profile on the same computer. Each Chrome profile can have its own bookmarks, browsing history, saved settings, extensions, and signed-in Google account, depending on how you choose to use it. The main thing to understand is that Google Chrome lets you add more than one profile, and each profile can feel like a separate browser while still using the same Chrome application. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser window itself, not another browser. Once Chrome is open, you should see the main browser window with the address bar across the top. In the top right corner, look for your profile icon. It is usually located near the three-dot menu, which is also in the top right corner of Chrome. Once you have found the profile icon, click on it. If there are already multiple profiles on this computer, they may also appear in this menu. Now, look toward the bottom of this profile menu. You may see an option that says Add, or you may see Add Chrome Profile. Both options serve the same purpose. Click Add, or click Add Chrome Profile if that is the wording shown on your screen. After selecting this option, Chrome will begin the process of creating a new profile. From here, Chrome may guide you through setting up the new profile, choosing how it looks, or connecting it to a Google account, depending on your browser version and current settings. That covers everything you need to know.